Hey folks, it's Saul at Autotek, and it's a Sunday in July and most people aren't at work. But not only are we here at work, but we take care of problem childs. We're going to tell you about how this guy just got to be the hero a minute ago. Let me show you what we're working on. So a guest comes in this morning and they say, hey, I'm an international traveler. I got to go get back on a flight to another country in a few hours. I rented this 2023 Nissan Murano while I'm here, and I spent 2 weeks camping, and I went on a hike. And I didn't want to lose anything, so before I went on my hike, I took my ring off, my wedding ring, and I left it on the center console. Well, it wasn't fun, and it sure took a little bit of time, but we are proud to say that we successfully located the wedding ring and got to hand it back to the guest. So, some people are worried that the mechanic might be their hero if they can patch a tire on a Sunday, but maybe we'll hand you a wedding ring. If you've got concerns about a car, or you really need it answered right now, come and see us at Saul's Autotek, because we're gonna go put this car together and get him to the airport. Stay safe out there, folks, and in the meantime, keep your wedding ring on.